Hi sir, puwede daw sir yung link po sir, i-post din yung GClass po sa laboratory din po. Kasi po si Mr. Mamansag po naka-enroll po sa ano, sa lab po. Iba sa ano po niya lecture.
Ano
Kaya di niya po
nangyayari na
nakita
magkaiba ang
yung
lab
yun
ninyo?
po. Magkaiba po yung section po niya sa lab and lec po. Kaya
Sino
hindi
ba
pa niya
enrolling
nakikita
officer niyan?
yung po.
Sino ba enrolling officer niyan? Sino nag-enroll dyan? Ba't
Hindi
ganyan?
ko po sure sir eh, kung sino po. Iba kasi ano po, sa EREG po si Ma'am Hazel po eh.
Sa IREG si Ma'am Hazel.
Opo, siya po nag-aano po dun eh, nag-e-enroll sa mga EREG.
So lahat ng IREG, iba ang section iba ang GMAT sa lab? Iba ang
Depende
GClass
po
nila?
sir sa ano, sa schedule po nila.
Ano? Agoy. Sakit sa bangsa. Sino yung papasok sa link na direkta? Si Mamansag lang.
Opo, iba pong section po yung ano eh, yung ibang,
Sige, sige,
yung
sabihin mo,
ibang,
papasok siya sa link.
sige po sir.
Wala pa bang IREG dito na nakapasok? Walang sumagot.
Si Miss Cruz po, may EREG po rin po dito.
Ako po
Pero I think
nandito,
po,
sir.
Anong gagawin natin, Miss Erica? Gaano katagal kami maghihintay sa presentation niya?
Wait lang po, sir. Inano ko lang po yung ka-group po.
Okay.
Sir, hindi po
Report to.
maka-join yung ano ko, yung ka-group ko po.
Joinin mo na. Jeremy, si Mamansag lang bang hindi naka-enroll dito sa GMAT na to?
yes po, doon sa ano sir, sa lecture po, sa laboratory po siya naka-enroll sa'yo.
Hmm. How about yung iba? Yung ibang IREG?
Wala naman po sir, ano, nagsabi sa akin. Siya lang po.
Erica, sino yung hindi maka-join?
Si Mr. Mamansag daw po sir, can join daw. Ba't kaya?
Sige, ipareboot mo tapos pa-rejoin mo na lang.
Sige po,
I-accept
sige
ko.
po. Okay po. Sir, yung iba, sir, yung ibang classmate, ayaw daw mag-join kahit galing po sa G-class, yung link. Yung ano po, yung tagto, pinost nyo po.
Oh, hindi naman yata
Yung
sila
ibang classmate po.
nakalagin eh.
Opo, doon sa nakalagin po, sir.
Nag-pinost
Sa
sila.
mismong G-class po.
Oo. Kung gusto mo, i-end call ko to, tapos mag-join ulit kayo.
Sige po, sir. Pwede naman, sir. Baka nag-ano lang,
Sige.
nagloloko yung link po. Sige
Sabihin
po,
mo
sir.
mag-login ha.
Apa, apa.
Sige, end call ko muna. Ready na, reporter?
Wait lang po sa hinihintay ko lang po yung member.
Okay.
Am I audible po?
Oo, pre.
Okay. Good day everyone. We are Alan James Mamansag and Miss Erica May Cruz. And today we will be presenting our report on system administration. This topic focuses on the essential role of managing and maintaining computer systems, servers, networks, and IT infrastructure that allow organizations to function smoothly. Overview of system administration. System administration focus on the management, configuration, and maintenance of computer systems, servers, networks, and other IT infrastructure. It ensures that all technology resources function efficiently, securely, and reliably to support organizational operations. Responsibilities of system administration. System administrators or sysadmins are responsible for the smooth operation, security, and efficiency of an organization's IT infrastructure. The responsibilities span across hardware, software, servers, networks, and user support. Roles in system administration to ensure the smooth functioning of an organization's IT infrastructure. These roles cover a wide range of technical, support, and security responsibilities. What is system administration? System administration is the process of managing, configuring, and maintaining computer systems, especially servers and networks, to ensure they operate smoothly and securely. In simple terms, a system administrator, often called a sysadmin, is the person responsible for making sure computers and networks work properly. They install software, manage users' account, fix problems, and protect systems from security threats. Responsibilities of system administrators. A system administrator's responsibility is to ensure that computer systems and networks are available, reliable, secure, and efficient. They wear many hats from installing and maintaining systems to support users and securing data. Let's go through the major responsibilities of system administrators one by one. First is installing configuring systems. They set up operating systems like Linux or Windows and install software applications needed for our daily operations. Second is user account management. This includes creating and deleting accounts and assigning permissions to ensure both security and accessibility. Next is monitoring system performance. Administrators keep track of CPU usage, memory, and disk space to detect and prevent issues early. Next is troubleshooting and support. They provide solutions to hardware and software problems and assist users with technical difficulties. Fifth is backup recovery. Regular data backups are essentials to prepare for unexpected failures, and disaster recovery plans to allow quick restorations. Next is security management. Administrators apply security patches, configure firewalls, and monitor systems for potential threats or unauthorized access. Next is network management. They manage routers, switches, and firewalls to maintain stable connectivity. Documentation. Every configuration, changes, and troubleshooting steps is documented for consistency and knowledge sharing. Automation and scripting. By writing scripts, administrators automate repetitive tasks to save time and reduce human error. And last, planning and upgrading. They plan ahead for system upgrades, new technologies, and expansion, minimizing disruption during changes. Next reporter, please.
Good morning, guys. So, roles of system administration. A administrator plays multiple roles from technical expert and security enforcer to user support and planner. All focus on keeping IT system reliable, secure, and efficient. Sige pa, ano ko lahat na. So, number one, system installer and configurer. Seals seals up new hardware and install operation system and software. Configure system to meet the needs of organization. Second, system monitor and maintainer. Regular monitor system health and performance, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficient. Hindi ko mabasa. Efficiently. Troubleshooter and problem solver. Wait lang po. So number T, troubleshooter and problem solver. Identifies and fix technical issues quickly to minimize downtime and disruption. 4. Security guardian. Protect system from threats by applying patches, managing firewalls, enforcing access controls, and monitoring for suspicious activity. 5. User support provider. Protect system from threats by applying patches, managing firewalls, enforcing access controls, and monitoring for suspicious activity. Six, backup and recovery planner. Ensure that data is regularly backed up and system can be restored in case of failure or disaster. Seven, network manager oversees the organization network, device, and connection, ensuring stable and secure communication. 8. Automation engineer create script and automated processes to streamline the repetitive, repetitive tasks and improve system management efficiency. 9. Documentation specialist keeps detailed records of system configuration, policies, procedures, and changes to maintain order and knowledge sharing. 10. Planner and growth upgrades. Plan and execute system upgrades, expansions, and improvements to keep infrastructure up to date. So next po. Why is system administration is important? Ensures system reliability and availability. System administration keeps computer system and networks running smoothly, minimizing downtime so user can work without interruption. Second, enhance security by applying updates, managing access control, and monitoring for threats. System administration protect an organization's data and IT infraction by cyber attacks. Third, support business community. Through regular backup and disaster recovery planning, system administration ensures that critical data can be recovered quickly in case of failures of emergencies, helping the business stay operational. Fourth, optimize performance. System admins monitor and turn hardware and software to ensure optimal performance, preventing slowdowns and bottlenecks. Next, manage resources efficiently. They allocate computing resources wisely, balancing workloads to maximize the use of available hardware and software. Next, facilitates user support and productivity. By managing user account and providing technical support, sysadmins help employees work effectively without IT interruption. Next, enables scalability and growth. System administration plan implement upgrades to handle increasing workloads as the organization grows. Last, automate routine tasks. Through scripting and automation, they reduce manual work and the risk of human errors, improving overall efficiently. So, yun na po. Thank you.
Dun sa mga reporters, gumawa ba kayo ng mga questionnaire nyo or questions para sa exam or quizzes?
Yes po. Gumawa po kami, sir.
Sa G-form po, sir.
Sige, ganito na lang. Next week, face-to-face tayo, di ba?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, may meeting ba tayo this week? Wala na, no?
Online po, sir.
Kailan nila yung meeting natin? Thursday. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yung reporters ngayon, pakibigyan ako ng PDF copy ng ginawa ninyong PowerPoint. Isama nyo yung mga questionnaire na ginawa nyo ngayon. And then, pag nag-face-to-face tayo, bago magsimula yung pangatlong reporter, magpapaquiz muna ako. Kasama nung magre-report sa Thursday.
Apo.
Malinaw, guys.
Opo.
Okay. Paki-open nga muna ang mga camera ninyo. Lahat ba nakapasok sa Gmeet? Mayor? Wait lang. Isa pa. Oh, by the way, guys, according to Ma'am Hazel, kailangan daw may output tayo dito sa system ad. So, naisip ko, lahat naman kayo nagtitesis, di ba? Tama? Hello?
Opo, sir.
Lahat kayo may thesis, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, para hindi na kayo mahirapan, yung gagawin kong project ninyo, yung thesis nyo na lang. Okay, para hitting two birds with one stone na lang tayo. Okay? Para hindi na kayo mangarag. Ang gagawin ninyo, gusto ko may apply ninyo as system administrator dyan sa mga thesis na mga programs ninyo. Yung mga nasa basic dito sa ating klase. Okay? So, magiging project nyo na rin sa akin yung thesis ninyo. Yung admin side lang naman. Okay? Okay ba yan? Para hindi na kayo gumawa ng panibagong system. Okay ba yan? O magpapagawa na lang ako ng panibagong system?
Okay na yun, sir.
Okay po, sir.
Mas masagot eh. Baka gusto nyo gumawa pa ng bagong system. Okay lang naman sa akin eh. Ano? Make sure na gumagana na yung thesis ninyo ha. O, di ba? At least kahit pa paano, merong improvement doon sa thesis ninyo. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Tapos si Mamansag, masyado madaming complex sa buhay ito eh. Oo, sige. Doon ka sa C. Okay? Pakita mo
Aba,
sa akin yung system mo sa C ha.
Opo.
Ano talaga, Mr. Mamansag, oh. Sige. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo ha, maulan.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Po.
Thank you, sir.